In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer for Death Stranding 2 on the beach to unlock cheats like ultimate health, stamina, and other gameplay advantages. Check my video description for the site link. Scroll down. Under File, select the first download link. Once download done, go to Downloads and double click on the exe and select Yes option. And now you need to launch the game. Once you are in game, press Alt Tab key and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. Once you turn on the cheats, just minimize this and get back to the game. And the weight has changed to 0 kg, as you can see. The cheat menu is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.